Hey guys, okay, so today, let's see, we are feeding the birds today, so we'll see how that goes. And I just get regular old wild bird seed for the birds. Gotta redo this deck or something. Hey Sammy! Hey Sammy and Felix. Got the craziest animals in the world. Oops. Hey Sammy. I'm gonna let you run around in a minute. Hold on, let me put this bird seed down. We don't have anything growing yet, guys, but we got seeds out here, and these are the this thornless blackberry vines. They haven't started sprouting, but I do see a little green on them, so hopefully they will get to going. Sam, you drinking water out the pond? Maybe that's why you like the pond. I don't know. Okay. So I have 3 bird feeders. I had more than this, but the raccoons and the squirrels pulled them out. And so we do the best we can with what we have left. Summer. Let's let you loose so you can run around. You want me to let you loose? Take your face thing off. Why are you so mean to people? You know, people have been mean to you. That's how we got you. Sam was a rescue pet. He was at a church giveaway for rescued animals. And he was born in 2006. And he is now been with us. I think we got him probably in 2000, end of 2006. No, 2007, maybe 2008. Didn't we? We got you then. We got you then, didn't we? And unfortunately. Look at yours. You trying to help feed the birds too? Come here, Sam. Come here. Can't have you running off. If you bite somebody, we're going to be in trouble. The kids are out today. All right. People are riding their bikes today. I just heard the mailman, and I know how you feel about the mailman. All right, so the birds have been fed. Oh, my flowers are growing. Look, they came back. Aren't they pretty? Purple and orange. I planted these year before last, I think. So I'm glad they came back. Sometimes we have frogs in here, but I don't see any frogs today. I see a piece of bark. That's about it. Semi. Look at you. You gonna say hi? You gotta go get your fur cut. It's starting to mat, so we need to make you an appointment. Crazy. Dog got a hair appointment, but I can't get a hair appointment. But hey, that's neither here nor there. All right, so I guess that's it for now. And I still have my banana plant in the house, and hopefully it'll warm up enough where I can bring it outside, because it's starting to suffer a little bit indoors. And my pepper plants are still there. Hopefully, I think today I'm going to work on them a little bit and put them out here in the yard, so we'll see. All right, enough for now. I'm finna go get some other stuff so I can work in the yard. All right, see this? The birds ain't even had a chance to go down there, but the squirrel, he down there hanging all over the bird thing. I guess he be ready to eat too. Probably when he moved, the birds will start coming in. They usually start landing in the trees, and then you get like a whole flock of them out here. Sometimes you have grackles, which look like crows, and we got a few falcons around here that unfortunately go after the birds once they start trying to come down here and eat. So anyway, this the squirrel, the first one on the scene. I should have known.